This Jack's Outdoor Solutions project in the San Marco area started with a simple goal: replace a worn, aging wood deck with something safer, more functional, and built to last. The homeowners, a young couple with a small child, wanted an outdoor space just steps from their back door where they could relax, play, and enjoy time together without concern. Homes in this area date back to the post-World War II era, built to last, with many evolving over decades through additions like the original deck we removed. This one wasn't a workmanship issue, it was simply time. The tear-out had to be taken all the way down to the last nail. From there, we regraded the space, installed a proper base, and began building back with structure in mind, adding wall blocks to elevate the new paver patio and ensure everything was level and built right. Wide steps now lead cleanly to the back door, with a paver walkway wrapping around to the detached building and side yard, creating flow, function, and accessibility. In the end, this wasn't just a replacement. It was an upgrade to how this family lives outside, and a space built to last for decades to come.